Hello students, let us take a question in which the question is 2 to the power a plus 2 to the power b plus 2 to the power c is equals to 148. Now, we need to find the values of a, b and c, where a, b and c both are natural numbers and a is greater than b is greater than c. So, can you find this question now? This seems to be quite tough, right? Now, only one equation and three variables. How can we solve this? This we can do just with the help of few calculations only. That is, we can observe that the right hand side is even. Now, 2 to the power x is always a even number for any value of x belongs to real number. Now, we divide both the equations, both the sides by 2 to the power c. So, we are left with 2 to the power a upon 2 to the power c plus 2 to the power b upon 2 to the power c plus 2 to the power c upon 2 to the power c is equals to 148 and divided by 2 to the power c. So, we can take this 2 to the power c to the left hand side and we are having this. Now, we know that any number to the power m upon the same base to the power n is equal to x to the power m minus n. So, we can write this as 2 to the power c into 2 to the power a minus c plus 2 to the power b minus c plus 1. Now, here comes the magic. This part is even. Now, we can observe that 2 to the power c is always even, but this part is even, and when we add 1 to it, we are having the second bracket to be a odd number. So what can we do over here is we can now factorize the 148 in the terms in even and odd factors. So 148 is equals to, when it divided by 2, it's 74. Again, when it's divided by 2, we are having 37. Now 37 part is an odd number. So what we can do is we can write this as 148 as 4 into 2 to the into 37. Now 4 is even, 37 is odd. So 2 to the power c is even, which is equals to 4, and the second bracket is odd, so this is equals to 37. Now comparing the right hand side for finding out the value of c, we are having, yes, c is equals to 2. Now, from the second bracket, we can take this one to the right hand side. We are having 2 to the power a minus c plus 2 to the power b minus c is equals to 37 minus 1. That is 36. Again, applying the exponential law, that is x to the power m upon x to the power n is equals to x to the power m minus n. So, we can write them again as 2 to the power a upon 2 to the power c plus 2 to the power b upon 2 to the power c is equals to 36. Now, 2 to the power c is same denominator for both the sides. So, we can take this. We know that c is equals to 2. So, we can take this as 4 and multiply it with the right hand side. So, we are having 2 to the power a plus 2 to the power b is equals to 144. Now, we repeat the steps again. We multiply and divide the left hand side by 2 to the power b. So, we are having 2 to the power b plus 2 to the power a upon 2 to the power b and 2 to the power b upon 2 to the power b, which is equals to 144. So, this is equal to 2 to the power b into 2 raised to the power a minus b plus 1 equal to 144. Now, 144 is even. We need to again divide it in terms of even and odd because one of the bracket is odd. So, I'm just saving your time that 144 we can write directly as even and odd factors as 16 into 9. 16 into 9 is 144. So 16 is an even number. So 2 raised to the power b is equals to 16. That means b equal to 4. And 2 raised to the power a minus b plus 1 is equals to 9. Taking this one to the right hand side again, we are having 2 raised to the power a minus b is equals to 8. Now we know that the value of b is 4 and 2, 8 is written as 2 cubed. So a minus b is equals to 3 or a is equals to 3 plus 7, that is equals to 4. So here are all the values of a, b and c. Thank you.